Hello guys, and welcome to this review on Allianz Travel Insurance. The question, is it worth it? Well, at the end of this video, you will be able to answer it for yourself, so stick around so you don't miss a point. Allianz Travel has been around for over 100 years and provides a variety of travel insurance plans, including single trip, annual, and rental car policies. They also have a strong reputation with a 4.3 score on Trustpilot and an A+ financial strength rating from AM Best. You can get more information on your web browser by going over to Allianz Travel Insurance website, where you can explore the different plans they offer and get a quote based on your travel details. Allianz offers 5 single trip plans with varying levels of coverage. So let's take a closer look at the main coverage options provided. Trip cancellation. It covers prepaid, non-refundable costs if your trip is cancelled. Trip interruption. Covers non-refundable costs if your trip is interrupted. Emergency medical. Provides reimbursements for accidents and illnesses during your trip. Lost luggage. It covers the cost of replacing your personal effects when your luggage is lost. Delayed luggage. Reimburses reasonable expenses when your luggage is delayed. Emergency evacuation. Arranges and pays the cost to transport you to a medical facility for care. Then you have pre-existing condition coverage, which covers costs for acute flare-ups of pre-existing conditions as long as you meet eligibility requirements. And as with any service, we'd like to let you know of the pros and cons, so let's break it down for you. Starting with the pros, you have an annual or single trip policies which are available. You have multiple types of insurances available, and all plans include access to a 24/7 assistance hotline. And on the flip side, with the cons, it is more expensive than average, and the cancel for any reason upgrades are not available. Rental car protection is only available by adding the one-trip rental car protector to your plan or by purchasing a standalone rental car plan. Now, when it comes to the different plans on their website, there are 5 single trip plans offered by Allianz. You have the one basic trip, the one trip premier, the one trip emergency medical, and one trip cancellation plus. When it comes to trip cancellation, you can have a range of 5,000 up to 200,000 for trip cancellation. For trip interruption, you have a range of 5,000 up to 300,000 for trip interruption. However, not all of these plans have this feature available, so you'll need to look it up. When it comes to emergency medical, you also have a range of 10,000 up to 75,000. And when it comes to your luggage, you can have a range of $200 to $600 for delay and $500 to $2,000 for loss of luggage. So is Allianz Travel Insurance worth it? Well, Allianz can be more expensive than other competitors, but its different plans can help you mitigate the cost by ensuring only what's important to you. Its 3 comprehensive plans also include coverage for pre-existing conditions, which isn't something you find everywhere. If you need a comprehensive coverage, including pre-existing conditions, Allianz could be a good choice. So at the end, you get to answer for yourself with all the information we've provided in this video. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.